Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what we're making today. I am adding 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I have it cut small. You can also use chicken thighs. In fact, that's what the recipe calls for, but that's what I have. And now I'm adding a 10-ounce bag of frozen vegetables such as corn, carrot, and green beans. I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and I always use kosher salt. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now, my husband said it wasn't enough pepper, but he likes a lot of pepper, so you do it to taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon chicken base. I've got to get every bit of the goodness out of that tablespoon. Give everything a good stir. Now put your lid on, and you want to make sure it's set to sealing. And I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I'm doing. Now you want to press your manual or your pressure cook button and set your time for 2 minutes. That's right, it only takes 2 minutes after it comes up to pressure, of course. I'm going to check again to make sure it's on sealing. That's very important. Now that it's finished cooking, I want to do a quick release, and I'm just moving my pot so it wouldn't hit the underside of my cabinet. Now that it's finished, you'll hear that little click of the valve. You open it up, and here it is. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And then you want to give it a good stir. And now it's ready, and this my whole family loved. It was really, really good. It tasted like a soup form of the center of a pot pie, and it was just very, very good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.